Hello students, in our last class we have completed exercise 1.1 chapter 1 we have completed, right? Here I have taken the second chapter, which is exercise 2.1, second chapter, first exercise. Solve this following question. There is a some, this chapter is a fraction and decimal. So fraction क्या होता है, decimal क्या होता है? These simple things, that it is 2 by 3, then it is 2 part of the 3 out of 3. This is called the fraction. If 5 by 7, then 5 part out of 7. This is called the fraction, right? A sum part of the total quantity. If you have an 8 apple and I have taken 3 apple from you, then how much fraction I have taken, right? This is called the fraction. How much fraction of total numbers I have taken. Now, so this is the same as, so we have to solve these questions here. Question number first, which is 2 minus 3 by 5. Understand, right? So first we have to make them like fraction. Like fraction means a like fraction, right? There are 2-3 terms which I will understand you while solving the question. Like term is if 3 by 5 and second is also 7 by 5. So these are called a like fraction when denominator will become same, right? So here we have to make here a like fraction, means we have to convert it into 5 and 5. So there is a nothing in denominator of 2, means there is about 1. Now how we can make it? Just multiply with 5 in numerator as well as denominator with a 2. And this 3 by 5 is as it is, right? Now 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5 minus 3 by 5. So now you can say these are the same here, so you can write its LCM will be 5 and this is the 10 minus 3. So simple, you can write it 7 by 5. 10 minus 3 will be 7, right? And you can write it in the form of mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it is the 7 here. What is here? 7. So when you divide 7 by 5, then you will get 5 1s are 5, 2 will remain. So you can write it as 1 is to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So you can write it as 1 is to 2 by 5. This is also your answer. This and this both are your answer, right? This is in the mixed fraction. It is the form of mixed fraction. कौन सा fraction का form of mixed fraction? Now next question number 2. It is also the same types of question. Now I am taking third one, right? It is also same type of question. You can multiply by 8 in denominator as well as numerator, right? So both will become same. Third one is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. So here it is a 5 and here it is 7. How you can make a denominator same? Just multiply both of them and just multiply this 7 here and 5 here, right? Three into 7 upon 5 into 7 plus 2 into 5 upon 7 into 5. What we have done? We have multiplied 7 in the numerator and denominator with 3 by 5, and we have multiplied the 5 with 2 by 7 in numerator as well as denominator, right? So now it will become 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 35. So the LCM you can see here, this is becoming the like fraction, both are the same. So 35 will be the LCM, 21 plus 10. This is 31 upon 35. This is your answer. Or if you want to write it in the mixed fraction, so 35 ones are, no, it will not go. Your 1 times been jayega. So this is your answer, same, right? This is your answer. You cannot write. Same as you can solve the remaining one here, right? Now, एक mixed fraction का ले लेते हैं, this one, so that you will understand how you can solve the mixed fraction type question. So 2 is to 2 by 3 plus 3 is to 1 by 2. Now, first write in the proper fraction. 3 multiply this 3 with 2, 3 का 2 के साथ multiply करो, 3 2 जा 6 और 2 इसमें ऐड कर दो. क्या करना है, 3 into 2, राइट, और फिर ये 2 बचा हुआ इसको इसमें ऐड कर दो. So it will become 8 और upon में 3 as it is. Same as here, 3 2 जा 6 और जो एक है 1 है उसको क्या करो, उसमें ऐड कर दो, 7 upon 2. Now it is the proper fraction. Now multiply this 2 this side and 3 in this side. So 8 into 2 upon 3 into 2 plus 7 into 3 upon 2 into 3. So 8 to the 16, 3 to the 6 plus 7 3 the 21 upon 2 3 the 6. So this 6 will be the LCM and 21 617 or 2 1 3 37 upon 6, and you can write it as mixed form. 6 6 the 36, 1 will remain, so 1 upon 6. जैसे क्या 6 6 जा 36, right? 6 6 जा 36, so 36 so 1 हो गया और what will remain, remainder 1, so 1 upon 6 will be as it is. This is your answer. Now remaining question you have to solve. The second one, if you can't solve it, then ask me on the live class, right? Arrange the following in a descending order. So these are the fractions here. We have to arrange them in the descending order. So here I am solving this one and you can solve this one, right? 2 by 9, first one, 2 by 9, comma 2 by 3, comma 8 by 21. Now you have to make this all in the other form of like fraction. Then you can compare, right? It's a numerator and you can say which one is the greater or which one is the lesser. To make it in the form of like fraction, you have to multiply here by some values, right? So you can see there is a 21, so you can't multiply here by 9 or 3 because in the 9 tables, 9 की tables में 21 नहीं आता, 3 की tables में आता, that is okay, but 9 की table में नहीं आता. So we have to make it something else. What? सोचो, 21 to the 42, 9 की टेबल में 42 नहीं आता है. 21 3 जा 63, राइट. नाउ 9 की टेबल में 63 आता है और 3 से भी अपन 63 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. नाउ सो वी हैव टू मेक इट इन द फॉर्म. न्यूमरेटर में क्या बनाना पड़ेगा, 63, राइट. सो वी नो दैट 9 into 7 will be 63, right? And 3 into 21 will be 63, right? So now multiply this respectively here. There is a 9, so 9 के साथ 7 का multiply कर दो in numerator as well as denominator, so it will become 63, and 2 के साथ 21, 3 into 21, so it will also become 36. Now 8 के साथ 21, से 21 के साथ 3 का multiply है, 3 upon 21 into 3. This is 3, right? So 7 to the 14 upon 36, right? 42 upon 36, and then shows 24 upon 36. Now numerator and denominator are same, so just compare numerator and you can say that which one is a greater and which one is second, right? You can arrange them in a descending order by seeing their numerator. Means 42 is the larger one. After that 24 upon 63. After that 14 upon 63. Now write its original version, which is 42. 42 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3, which is the greater one. Then after 24 upon 63 means 8 by 3. 8 by 21. Then after, now I think that you can't see this, so 2 by 3, then after 8 by 21, then 2 by 9. This is your answer. Same as you have to solve the second one. Come to the next question. Now in the magic box, sum of the numbers of each row and each column and along the diagonal is the same. This is the magic square. So आपको ये बताना है कि अगर इसके columns में, row में, इसके columns, this is the row and इसके columns और इसके diagonal, सबको आप अगर add करते हो, and if it will come same, this is called a diagonal, right? इस एक corner से दूसरे corner को मिलाना, that is called your diagonal. So यहाँ पे ये तीनों values आएगी, this and this and this, right? So diagonal सबका अगर sum अगर same आता है, then you can say that it is a magic square. Just like that along first row, ये first row में यहाँ पे add कर रखा है. It is just for your confusion, it is given here that the fraction number, but you can see all are the like fraction here. सभी के denominator में क्या है 11. So do not see the denominator. Just आप इसके numerator को देख के बता सकते हो कितना आएगा. जैसे कि 4, 9, just like that 4 plus 9 is 13 plus 2, 20, 15 upon 11. 3 plus 5, 8 or 7, 15 upon 11 will be as it is. 8 or 1, 9 or 6, 15 upon 11 will be as it is. Just like this you can add and it will become a magic square here, right? ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन अपन ने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में फर्स्ट चैप्टर में किया था 1.1 में, आई थिंक सो. सेम क्वेश्चन. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 by 12 is to 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 is to 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So we have to find its perimeter. What is the perimeter? I think that you have studies in class 6, but just because of syllabus reduction, this chapter may be reduced. So let first explain the perimeter. So assume that this is your rectangle. Rectangle वो होता है जिसके two sides are parallel to each other, right? ये दो sides parallel हो और ये दो sides parallel हो. ये आपका rectangle होता है जिसके चारों sides equal ना हो, दो sides equal हो. ये दोनों side एक दूसरे equal होती है और this two side will be equal. And this is called your square. If the four side will become equal, then it is called your square. And this is called your triangle. मुझे लगता है ये सब चीजें तुमने पढ़ी होगी. Okay. So assume that A, B, C, D. This is your point here. And perimeter is called just simple. If you start walking from this point, B पे गए, C पे, then D, then E. This is called your perimeter. जब आप सारों को ऐड कर देते हो, ऑल साइड्स को आप ऐड कर देते हो, सम कर देते हो, देन इट इज कॉल्ड योर पेरीमीटर, राइट? डेफिनेशन में नहीं जाना है, डेफिनेशन अपने आएगी व्हेन विल गो ऑन अ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, तो उसमें आएगा आपका पेरीमीटर, इनकी डेफिनेशंस वगैरह, तो अभी इसमें नहीं जाना है, अभी सिंपल समझ लो पेरीमीटर होता है। अज्यूम दैट दिस इज योर 5 सेंटीमीटर, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर है, दिस विल आल्सो बी 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस विल आल्सो बी 2 सेंटीमीटर। पेरीमीटर इज द सेम, मीन्स 5 प्लस 2, 5 प्लस 2 प्लस 5 प्लस 2 मीन्स इट इज इक्वल टू 14 सेंटीमीटर। ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, पेरीमीटर, पेरीमीटर, राइट। इसका फॉर्मूला होता है पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ, लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ। मीन्स ये देखो यहाँ पे अपन लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ 2 प्लस 5 इन 2 प्लस 5 को 2 बार ऐड किया है, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और एड एक ही बार किया है। आप यहाँ पे चाहो तो वैल्यू रख के देख लो, एल की वैल्यू लेंथ ये है 5 प्लस ब्रेड्थ क्या है 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड इट इज मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, राइट हियर। So 5 plus 2, 7. So 2 into 7, this 2 into 7, it is also equal to 14 and ये भी 14 है, ठीक है। तो ये होता है आपका पेरीमीटर, सिंपल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए अभी के लिए काफ़ी है। जब अपन मेंसुरेशन में जाएंगे, चैप्टर आएगा उसमें जाएंगे, तब आपको वहाँ पे क्लियर करवाऊंगा मैं क्या है, राइट। सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन हियर। क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं वापस। It is the length 12 is to 1 by 2 and this is the breadth which is 10 is to 2 by 3, right। इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है 10 2 by 3, it is looking like a 102 is 2 by 3, right। You have to write it like this, 10 is to 2 by 3, right। Yeah, 12 is to 2 by 3 like this, right। Do not write like this that 12 1 2 by 3, ये wrong है, understand। So we have to find the perimeter, so the we know that the perimeter, let me write properly, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now convert first this 2 in the form of proper fraction, right। So 2 ये क्या है लेंथ, 12 is to 1 by 2 plus 10 is to 2 by 3, right। Now proper fraction में convert करो, 12 to the 24 plus 1 25 upon 2। कैसे किया, 12 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और 1 इसमें ऐड कर दिया, जिस 12 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 से और 1 इसमें ऐड कर दिया, दिस इज 25 और डिनोमिनेटर में 2 एज इट इज है ही है। यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 10 into 3 will be 30 plus 2, 32 upon 3, right। Now you have to make it like fraction, so like fraction, just multiply 3 here and 2 here, 2 into 25 into 3 upon 2 into 3 plus 32 into 2 upon 3 into 2, 25 into 3 75 upon 2 3s are 6 plus 32 into 2 64 upon 3 2s are 6, right। Now 2 6 will be the LCM, 75 plus 64, right। Now 2 into ये कितना हो जाएगा, 5 4 9 and 6 139 upon 6। Now you can divide it, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, right। So your answer here which is 39 139 upon 3, and 139 upon 3 you can write in the mixed fraction. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 1 remaining, add in, 3 six are 18 and 1 will remain. So 46 1:3. नहीं समझ में आया? देखो 139 we are dividing with 3, so 139 डिवाइड करोगे तो 4 से जाएगा which is 12, 1 will remain, 9, so it is 19, 6, 3 6 are 18, 1 will remain, right? So 46 1:3, यही तो लिखा 46 1:3, right? So you can write its answer 46:1/3. This is also its answer. Next question. Find the perimeter of यहाँ पे पूरा क्वेश्चन दिख नहीं रहा है. Let me reduce it. Maybe it is visual. Right. So find the perimeter of triangle ABE. First we have to take A, B and E. इस ट्राइंगल की बात कर रहे हैं. अब इसके नीचे जो भी उसको भूल जाओ. It is talking about this triangle. ये जो ट्राइंगल है इसकी बात हो रही है. इस ट्राइंगल की बात हो रही है अभी, राइट? ABE एंड द रेक्टेंगल. उसके बाद इस रेक्टेंगल की, राइट? जो BCDE है, BCDE इन दिस फिगर whose perimeter is greater. So first we have to find the individual perimeter of triangle and then rectangle, and then we have to compare that whose perimeter is greater one, right? Let us see. First I am considering here triangle. पहले triangle लेते हैं which is A, B and E, right? Here the side as given which is 5/2 और ये वाला दिया हुआ है 2:3/4 and this one is given 3:3/5, right? Centimeter. Do not forget to write a unit, centimeter, right? Now so perimeter क्या होता है? तीनों को ऐड कर दो. This is our perimeter, right? As I told you in the rectangle. So perimeter of triangle. First perimeter of triangle. This is the sign of triangle, right? ये sign होता है triangle का, ऐसे करके. This is the sign of triangle, which is equal to, now add this all three here, which is 5/2 plus 2:3/4 plus 3:3/5. यहाँ पे एक लाइन बनाता हूँ, कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. Now first make it is in form of proper fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. वैसे ये 5 3 15 plus 3 18 upon 5, right? Now so here you have to make it is in form of proper fraction, sorry like fraction. So like fraction के लिए 4 5 5 4 20, right? इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करो. Now it is divided or by 2 or not? Yes, it is divided by 2. We can divide it by 2, right? So just you have to make here 20 in denominator. आपको क्या करना है? 20 डिनोमिनेटर में बनाना है. So multiply here by 10. 5 into 10 upon 2 into 10, right? क्या किया, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. वाई? बिकॉज we can't divide this 5 by 2 or 4, so we have to take some greater number, right? इसीलिए यहाँ पे 20 ले लिया अपन ने, so that it is divided by 2, it is divided by 4 and it is divided by 5. मीन्स 20 है और 2 की टेबल में भी आता है, 4 की टेबल में भी आता है और 5 की टेबल में भी आता है. नाउ 11 अपॉन 11 इंटू, यहाँ पे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 4 में 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 20 हो जाएगा. सो 5 अपॉन 4 इंटू 5 प्लस 18 में इसमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 5 इंटू 4, सो इट विल बिकम 20. नाउ आप देख सकते हो डिनोमिनेटर सब 20 हो जाएंगे. 10 5 जा 50 प्लस 20 अपॉन 20, 55 अपॉन 20 प्लस 72 upon 20. Now all are 20 here. सभी अब 20 हो गए. Now you can take 20 LCM and 50 plus 55 plus 72. So it will come, कितना आएगा, 177 divided by 20. 177 divided by 20. I am writing here. You have to write below to this. 177 divided by 20. This is the perimeter of triangle, right? Same as अपने को perimeter of rectangle निकालना है और उसके बाद दोनों के बीच में कंपेयर करना है, राइट? So ये आ गया 177 divided by 20. It is the perimeter of triangle. Now rectangle लेते हैं अब. It is the B point, C and D and then E. ये वाली डिस्टेंस B से E की दी हुई है 2:3/4 सेंटीमीटर एंड ये वाली दिया हुआ है 7/6 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 4 2 जा 8 और 3 11/4 4 सेंटीमीटर, राइट? नाउ perimeter of rectangle, right? Perimeter of rectangle which is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. ये अभी लास्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में अपन ने किया है. So 2 into length is 11/4 plus breadth 7/6. Now make it is a like fraction. Like fraction के लिए 6 4 है, ये मल्टीप्लाई हेयर बाय 6 एंड हेयर 4. 11 इंटू 6 से यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 4 इंटू 6 प्लस 4 से इधर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 11 6 जा 66 और 6 4 जा 24 प्लस 7 4 जा 28, 6 4 जा 24, right? Now 24 will be your LCM here into 24 और ये हो जाएगा 66 plus 28, right? Now you can cancel out it. 2 1 जा 2, 2 12 जा 24 and this will be 66 plus 28. It will be 94 upon 12. Now you can also cut it. इसको और ज्यादा आप कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हो, राइट? 2 से डिवाइड कर दो, it will come 47 upon 6, राइट? यहाँ 2 से करोगे 46, 2 से करोगे 6, 47. Now this is your perimeter of rectangle, right? Perimeter of triangle क्या था? 177. यही था ना? I forget. upon 20. I think so. Yes. Now we have to compare these two. That which one is greater? Then it is our question. Which perimeter is greater, right? So this is our question here. So among 176 upon 20, 47 upon 6. First make their denominator same. First make their denominator same so that we can compare. Denominator same कैसे करोगे? Now think that 20 and 60. Think a number so that we can divide that number by 20 as well as 6, right? ऐसा नंबर आपको सोचना होगा जिसको 20 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो, 6 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो. 60, right? 60 you can divide by 20 or 6 also. So let us take a 60. So 60 बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 177 into 3 upon 20 into 3, 47. इसको 60 बनाना है तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 10 upon 6 into 10. Now it will become 60. So when you multiply 177 with a 3, it will come 531 upon 60, right? Comma ये आ जाएगा 470 upon 60. Now you can compare which one is greater. Denominator same हो गया. अब न्यूमरेटर को देखो. 531 है. 531 is 470. So 531 is greater than the 470. ये पूरा आपको कॉपी में लिखना होगा. मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ because I do not have a space here. That is why I am writing it here, right? But I think that you have understanding what I am writing. So this is the greater, right? Now थोड़ा सा स्पेस ले लेता हूँ यहाँ से. See, 531 upon 60 is greater than 470 upon 60. That means 177. That means 177 को अपन ने कन्वर्ट किया था ना. 177 upon 20 is greater than 47 upon 6. So that you can write here that perimeters of triangle is more या greater than rectangle, right? This is your answer. ये थोड़ा सा लेंदी जाएगा बिकॉज 2 क्वेश्चन में इसने क्या किया था, 2 क्वेश्चंस को एक साथ मर्ज कर दिया था और फिर दोनों के बीच में कंपेयर करना था. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज लिटिल बिट लेंदी क्वेश्चन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, यू हैव टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. कुछ नहीं, इसमें से इसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. शालिनी वांट्स टू पुट अ पिक्चर इन द फ्रेम. द पिक्चर इज 7:3/5 centimeter wide, right? And to fit the frame, the picture cannot be more than this. Picture इससे ज्यादा बड़ी नहीं होना चाहिए. Wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Right? कितने पिक्चर को उसमें ट्रिम्ड करना. तो एक इसके पास पिक्चर है इतनी बड़ी समझ लो और फ्रेम है ये वाली. तो पिक्चर को क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसको इतना ट्रिम करना पड़ेगा सो दैट इट कैन फिट इन द ट्रिम. सो इतना उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सब्सट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, ट्रिम करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो इसमें से इसको सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दोगे तो ये वाला पार्ट बच जाएगा ना. दिस ग्रेटर वन, ये बड़ा वाला, इसमें से ये छोटे वाले को आप सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दोगे तो रिमेनिंग वन बच जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू सब्सट्रैक्ट दिस ओनली. How? You can see here, it will become here 7:3/5. So 7 5 35, 38, 35 and 38/5. थोड़ा सा फास्ट करवा रहा हूँ, देखना नहीं समझ में आता तो ऑनलाइन करेंगे फिर. 10 3 70, 10 7 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10. Right? Now, so this is the picture and it should not be more than this. ये पिक्चर है, ये पिक्चर की साइज है और ये इससे ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. मीन्स इसमें से इसको सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 38/5 minus 73 upon 10. So whatever will become, that will be your answer. Right? वही होगा आपका आंसर. कि उतना अपने को ट्रिम करना होगा.